Aaron Dillon here, Managing Director of AG Dillon & Co. AG Dillon is closing 6 pre-IPO stock funds on March 7, 2025. Anduril, OpenAI, xAI, Groq, Figure AI, and a space economy company. Use these single stock funds to build bespoke pre-IPO stock portfolios. You select the pre-IPO stock company exposures and weight allocations to each pre-IPO stock to express your unique investment thesis. Available for purchase at Charles Schwab, Fidelity, and directly at AG Dillon Funds. $2,500 minimum investment. Financial advisors only. Email aaron.dillon@agdillon.com to invest. Again, that's aaron.dillon@agdillon.com to invest. All right, now the update for February 14, 2025. xAI, the AI large language model business, is raising approximately $10 billion at a $75 billion valuation, up from its previous $50 billion valuation. The round is not yet finalized, and some market participants believe the valuation could increase further. The company raised $6 billion in both May and December 2024. Investors include Andreessen Horowitz, Sequoia Capital, Fidelity, BlackRock, and Morgan Stanley. xAI's chatbot Groq competes with OpenAI and will release Groq 3 soon, which Elon Musk, the company's founder, claims is the smartest AI on Earth. Groq 3 was trained on 100,000 GPUs, the largest GPU training cluster for any AI model. xAI is also finalizing a $5 billion deal with Dell for an AI-optimized servers. xAI has a $97 billion secondary market valuation. That's up 94% versus its November-December 2024 round. I believe that this current xAI round will close closer to that $97 billion secondary market valuation. Musk has stated that he wants a 1 million GPU data center. That's 800,000 more GPUs that cost an estimated $48 billion of incremental capital. Some of this $48 billion could be financed with debt, but a solid portion will go with equity. So a higher valuation faster will generate less dilution for xAI employees and early investors. Figure AI, the humanoid robotics company, is raising $1.5 billion at a $39.5 billion valuation, a sharp increase from its $2.6 billion valuation last year. The round is led by Align Ventures and Parkway Venture Capital. Investors include Microsoft, OpenAI, NVIDIA, and Jeff Bezos. The company aims to ship 100,000 humanoid robots over the next 4 years and believes home adoption is feasible within a few years' time. Figure's robots target dangerous jobs and labor shortages with BMW as a customer. Competitors include Tesla's Optimus and Meta's Unitree Robotics collaboration. Figure has a $4.2 billion secondary market valuation, so this $39.5 billion new round valuation is a 840% increase. Anduril, the AI defense technology company, is raising $2.5 billion at a $28 billion valuation, doubling its valuation from $14 billion in August. Founders Fund is leading with a $1 billion investment, its largest ever. Anduril's 2024 revenue doubled to $1 billion with an annual contract value of $1.5 billion. The company ranked number 2 on CNBC's Disruptor 50 list in 2024 and partners with OpenAI for all AI-driven national security missions. For AI-driven national security missions. It competes with Lockheed Martin, Raytheon, and Northrop Grumman. Palantir, a defense tech peer, surged 370% in the past year to $250 billion market cap with a $343 million in government revenue, up 45% year over year. Groq, the AI semiconductor and cloud company, has secured a $1.5 billion contract from Saudi Aramco Digital to expand its LPU-based AI inference infrastructure, reinforcing Saudi Arabia's Vision 2030 AI strategy. The deal, announced at LEAP 2025, follows Groq's record-breaking launch of the region's largest AI inference cluster in December of 2024, operational in just 8 days. Groq has a $3.1 billion secondary market valuation. That's up 12% versus its August 2024 round. Klarna, the consumer credit and payments company, plans an April IPO at a potential $15 billion valuation fueled by strong financial growth. The gross merchandise value surged 16% to $72.7 billion from January to September, while revenue jumped 23%, including a 33% year-over-year increase in the U.S. market. Consumer demand remains high, with 56% of shoppers using installment payments in the past year, and over 70% of millennials and 65% of Gen Z embracing buy now, pay later services. Klarna operates in 25 countries. The buy now, pay later market is projected to grow at a 20% CAGR over the next 5 years. Klarna has a $12.7 billion secondary market valuation. It's up 90% versus its July 2022 round. Save Superintelligence, the AI startup founded by ex-OpenAI chief scientist Ilya Sutskever, is in talks to raise funding at a valuation of at least $20 billion. That's a 4x jump from its $5 billion valuation in September 2024. The company, which has raised $1 billion so far, has backing from Sequoia Capital, Andreessen Horowitz, and DST Global. Though it's yet to generate revenue, its founding team includes ex-OpenAI researcher Daniel Levy and former Apple AI lead Daniel Gross. CEO Sutskever was a key figure behind ChatGPT's development at OpenAI. Stripe, the online payments company, is exploring an employee share sale at a valuation of $85 billion or more, marking a 20% increase from its last employee share sale in the summer of 2023, and a 70% jump from its $50 billion valuation in March of 2023. The company nears its $95 billion valuation peak from 2021 after rebounding from a 2022 slowdown. Stripe reports $650 million in free cash flow in Q2 2024, fueled by its core payment processing business and expansion into billing software. Stripe has an $89.5 billion secondary market valuation. Eudia, the illegal AI company, has secured a $105 million deal led by General Catalyst with $30 million upfront, $75 million contingent on acquiring other companies. The deal is part of General Catalyst's $1.5 billion creation fund, which targets industries like legal, accounting, and call centers for AI-driven automation. Eudia's AI platform assists in compliance checks, risk assessments, and contract parsing, and is already used by Cargill, DHL Group, and Duracell. Other investors include Floodgate, Sierra Ventures, Hackloot Capital, and Defy. The company is scaling its product and engineering teams with the initial funding. Plaid, the financial technology company, is working with Goldman Sachs on a $300 million to $400 million share sale, allowing early investors and employees to cash out. The fintech firm was last valued at $13.4 billion in its 2021 Series D round, but is expected to come in lower amid fintech's valuation reset. Plaid's revenue surged 25% in 2023, driven by expansion into identity verification and credit products. The company has raised over $730 million, with backing from Multiple Capital and Silver Lake Partners. Plaid CEO has indicated plans for an IPO within a few years. Plaid has a $4.5 billion secondary market valuation. It's down 66% versus its April 2021 round. I'll be keeping an eye on where this tender offer valuation will finalize. Harvey, the legal AI company, has secured $300 million Series D funding round at a $3 billion valuation led by Sequoia, with participation from Coatue, Kleiner Perkins, and OpenAI Startup Fund, GV, Conviction, Iliad Gill, and the Relix Group's venture arm, Rev. In 2024, Harvey has $100 million of annual recurring revenue. That's a 4x increase over the prior year, expanding its current customer base from 40 to 235 across 42 countries, including most of the top U.S. law firms. This reflects a rapid shift in the legal industry towards AI adoption. The new investment will support platform improvements, agentic workflow scaling, enterprise integration, and team expansion, setting the stage for continued acceleration in 2025. Mercury, the online bank, is in discussions for a new investment round led by Sequoia Capital, valuing the company at over $3 billion, with nearly double their $1.6 billion valuation in 2021, where they raised $120 million. Since Mercury's founding in 2017, they've built banking solutions tailored for startups, providing expense management tools and physical credit cards. In 2023, the collapse of Silicon Valley Bank accelerated demand for Mercury services, fueling rapid growth. The company recently reached $500 million in annualized revenue. Existing investors include Andreessen Horowitz, Coatue Management, and CRV. Databricks, the AI data management and analytics company, is excited to announce a strategic partnership with SAP, bringing their AI-powered data analytics to SAP's enterprise software for HR, finance, and logistics. This collaboration enables customers to seamlessly access and analyze their most critical data, breaking down silos that have long hindered AI adoption. SAP's Joule AI assistant will integrate with Databricks, helping businesses leverage real-time insights on factors like weather, tariffs, and policy shifts. Databricks has committed $250 million to SAP migrations and anticipates generating $1 billion in revenue from this initiative. The new business data cloud will be available on Amazon, Microsoft, and Google Cloud, transforming enterprise AI. Databricks has a $63.6 billion secondary market valuation. It's up 2.6% versus its December 2024 round. Canva, the digital marketing company, is expanding its low-cost daily plans to emerging markets after success in India, where a 79 cents per day plan helped drive growth in its fourth largest user base. The company, with 220 million active users and 24 million paid subscribers, generated over $2.5 billion in annualized sales. Canva has 5,000 employees globally and partners with governments in Indonesia, Poland, and the Philippines. The firm, a top Adobe competitor, is profitable and positioning for an IPO, reinforced by hiring ex-Zoom CFO Kelly Steckelberg. Canva has a $33.9 billion secondary market valuation. It's up 31% versus its January 2024 round. OpenAI, the AI large language model business, is set to release ChatGPT 4.5 within weeks. CEO Sam Altman confirmed that the model, internally called Orion, will be the last before OpenAI shifts to AI reasoning models requiring advanced computing. OpenAI plans to merge GPT and O-series models to create AI that can autonomously determine processing time per query, eliminating the need for a model picker. The company is also developing ChatGPT 5, which will integrate O3 model later in 2025. OpenAI is currently raising $40 billion at a $300 billion post-money valuation. Okay, that's it this week. Thanks, and see you guys all next week.